Welcome back to Calculated Education. Today we're taking a look at SAT, ACT math practice problem. Today we have an example number 3, and let's look at it and let's see what we can figure out here. The same final exam was given to two separate groups of students taking the same class. The students who took the exam in the first class got a mean score of 84. Great. The students who took an exam on the second floor had a mean score of 78. Okay. Which of the following represents the mean score X of both of the groups of students? Now, this question is trying to trick you in two ways. One, it wants you just to take the average between 84 and 78, and that would get you 81, right? So immediately you'd go, oh, A. However, that is not the case. With this problem, we don't know how many people are in each class, right? We know that the number of students will play a role in our average, right? Because that's how much we divide by how many scores we added up together. So since that is the case, only because we do not know the sample size in each room, how many students are in each room, we have to assume that actually our average X is just going to be in between those two values. If they told us that the students in the first floor and the second floor were the same, only when classrooms are equal in students, right? So number of students per classroom. Only when classrooms are equal in students can we take the average of the two means. Remember that whenever you're faced a question here that involves some averages, always consider how many students are in each group. And if you don't know, you have to assume, and therefore we have to use the inequality D. 78 is less than going to be our new mean. Is greater than, our mean is greater than 78, but it's going to be less than 84. And that's only because we don't know the sample size. But that's it for that one today. If you want to see your questions answered or have any additional questions or need some additional tutoring, do not hesitate to email calculatededucation@gmail.com.